Hi everyone, it's Tammy and welcome to craft number 8 from our 12 crafts of Halloween. And this one is just kind of a cute little silly one that I thought was fun. I saw this on Pinterest and I thought, oh, I can do something like that. So this is what I came up with, and it's just a brownie bat. And these brownies are the Cosmic Brownies from Little Debbie. My kids love these, and they only had this big pack when I went to the grocery, so I have, oh, that one's kind of crummy looking. Oh, there, that one's better. I'm going to send these to my kids, but I'm going to make one of them cute for each of them. And I'm going to use smaller eyes on this next one, but it's just googly eyes, some construction paper, and then I have this Boo ribbon. I don't know where I got it. It was just in my stash. So I thought I would put a little bit on there just because it's kind of fun. So let me show you what I did. I took a piece of construction paper and then I took a pencil and I just kind of made what I thought would look like a bat wing, where you go up and then I'm gonna go zoom, 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 and I'm not gonna touch them. I'm gonna actually go across, and that will attach to the brownie in the back. And then I'm gonna do kind of the same thing again. Oops, I broke my lid. And then zoom, like that. And then I'm going to drop my pencil and pick it up and put it back in my drawer. Then I'm going to take my big scissors and I'm just going to cut it out. Just like that. And I'm going to use that as the back so that you don't see where my lines were. It's really not a big deal either way, but I don't know, it looks a little bit better this way. And then I am going to use some just regular glue and put it there. And the brownie has a little opening here, like where it closes, and I'm just going to take a little glue dot, if I can find what I did with them. What did I do with my glue dots? Oh, right here. And I'm going to take a glue dot and just put it here so it won't flap open. And then I'm just going to put this in the upper 2/3 of the brownie. And then I'm going to glue his googly eyes down. So I used really big ones on the last guy, but this guy I think I'm going to use a little smaller ones. And you know what, I'm thinking now that glue dots might have been what I used. I think that might be a better idea, because with this plastic I think the regular glue will pop right off. That's right. Let's use let's use glue dots. Put one here. See how that's all kind of smeary. And I guess the glue could maybe go through the wrapper. I don't know. Let's hope not. I can't get the thing to stick. Yeah, I think the glue I could pull totally right off, so I'll just put a glue dot on each side too. Oh no. If the glue dot even wants to stick. This one isn't the best brownie in the whole wide world, but hey, you know what? It's going to be eaten just the same. I'm sure my kids will not even notice. Use glue dots though. That's the moral of this story. And then I'm going to take just one glue dot and put it on one side of this, easier said than done, on one side of the ribbon, and then one glue dot and put it on the other side of the ribbon. And then stick that right on here, just kind of silly. And there we go. There is project number 8. It is a brownie bat. Kind of cute. I don't know, I kind of think I might like the bigger eyes. What do you guys think? Maybe if I used the bigger eyes, it would cover up where I messed up too. Let's do it. Let's peel these off. I'm putting 2 glue dots on these because they are big eyes. Better to see with. There we go. Yeah, I think I like that better. And this one looks like he has a little nose. That's kind of cute. All right, now I think he's my favorite. Yay! So there we go. Craft number 8 in the books. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Happy Halloween!